Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a quick hair tutorial, and it's even quicker than normal because we're already starting off with dry hair and I've already flat ironed it. So if you've not seen any of my previous hair tutorials, I will link those down below so you can see how I blow dry and flat iron my hair. And then the only other products that I have currently in my hair are the Catwalk Root Boost and the Argan Oil. So I put those in when my hair is wet. Now we're going to be talking about how to add the texture to this style. So I think that's kind of the most important part, where this hairstyle takes on more of an artistic flair. So I've had several questions asking for some help in this area. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So to start off, I am going to go in with what one of my subscribers says is Old Faithful, and it's true. This is my Enjoy Dry Wax, and I use about a pea-size amount, and I'm going to put this in the palm of my hands and then just really work it in there in between my hands to warm it up. And so now, as you can see, I've got pretty flat hair right here, and right here this looks really bushy. The back just kind of looks so-so. So with the wax, I'm actually going to start at the back of the hair. So you just want to distribute that product kind of all over your hair. And then I'm going to go back and I just take what's remaining on my hands, no extra product, and I'm just going to scoop it out of the palm of my hand so I get more of that wax on the tip of my finger. And now here in the front, we're going to start adding a little texture. And what I'm going to do is I'm just grabbing about 1-inch sections of hair. If your hair is not quite as thick as mine, you might grab like 1/2-inch sections, and I'm just using my fingers to squeeze those sections together, applying a little bit of that wax into that hair and then pulling through. Again, just grabbing, it's kind of random sections, so you don't want it to look like everything is just perfectly split apart. Any section that you see that looks like it is just too flat and uninteresting, you want to go in and just grab a section of hair, and with what's on your fingers, that little bit of wax is going to help kind of create a little pieciness and chunky texture to your hair. So again, going back now in this top section, which previously you could see it was just kind of like this round bush. That's not a good look for me. So I'm going to take, again, these 1-inch sections. I'm kind of twisting the hair together a little bit, and I'm just breaking up that fanned section here at the top. So again, just grabbing about at the root and placing most of the product there and then pulling through to the end. And then if you feel like you need a little bit more wax, which I think I do, I'm going to just place a little bit on the tips of my fingers. And now through the side here, same thing. I'm just going to go in with these two fingers. My thumb and my middle finger are my favorites to use for this. So I'm just going to go in, grab some sections of hair, and then by pulling it through to the end, it's almost like it glues those hairs together to create kind of a nice point there at the end. Same thing on this side. I'm just going to be grabbing these sections to break up this sideburn area. And then with what's left on the hands, I'm going to go through the back, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to have to use my mirror here to give myself a little help. And again, just grabbing those sections. I'm kind of twisting a little bit. And we are going to still go in with hairspray, so you don't have to worry that everything is not precisely where you want it to be just yet, but we're just really distributing that wax product through the hair, and again, just kind of grouping or almost clumping sections of hair together. Here at the bottom, I just grab, again, sections and I pull it out. And again, I'm going to be kind of separating this section here. And then I want just a tiny bit more here in the front. So I'm again just squeezing, and I'm actually lifting up and then pulling my fingers out gently through the hair. Okay, so here's where we're at right now. Pretty good texture. So now we're gonna hit it with some hairspray, and this is the final step that I think is really important, not only to set the texture in place, but you can actually add even a little more pieciness. So I'm taking another Old Faithful. This is the Aussie Freeze, Instant Freeze Hairspray. And you want just short bursts. You don't need to just spray your whole hair. We're just doing little tiny bursts. I do a lot of tiny bursts, but it's really not too much product. So we're just gonna go here, 2 bursts, and then again, I'm taking my fingers and I'm lifting that hair and causing a little bit of separation there. And then I'm going to do the same on the side, and grabbing just these sections that we added some wax to, and making sure that as the hairspray dries, it dries with the pieciness in place. And then I just continue to do that around the edge here. Again, grabbing sections, and now I'm just really grabbing the ends. I'm not going quite into the roots. All right, guys, so here's our finished look. And I will insert here a side-by-side photo of the before and after, and hopefully you can see what a difference that really simple technique did. I hope this video was helpful for you, especially those of you who've been struggling to add more of that texture piecey look to your style. Hopefully this gave you some new tips to try. As I mentioned in the beginning, I will link some of my other hair tutorials down below in the description box, as well as the products that I currently use on my hair. Thank you as always so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.